Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion. The smooth area behind the teeth of a bandsaw blade makes an excellent pivot point from which to control the fine cleanup of convex curves and even straight lines. This 4 tooth per inch blade made quick work of cutting out the profile for this leg, and now it's making quick work at tidying up the bullnose detail at the top, saving me a lot of time with rasps and files. It also provides a great guide for me to clean up whilst creeping up a little bit more to the line on this longer cut. Alternate which side of the blade you use to keep tooth wear even. After a little bit of handwork, these legs are almost ready for finish. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes. For a chance to win this nightstand that I'm going to be building, check out my Just Giving page.